Right in this movie, I'm going to show you how to export your work to a different file format, specifically PDF, because I know it is the most used file extension or files, which allows you to share a high quality file with others via the internet. I'm going to open this guy called Basic Functions. Then at this point, let's say I want to export this guy to a PDF file. I'm going to do so by going to the file button, then click on the export. You are not going to see create Adobe PDF. You are never going to see this. So instead, click on create PDF/XPS document. Now the XPS document happens to be Microsoft's own version. All right, so the PDF actually stands for portable document format. Now I'm going to click on create PDF/XPS, then it will take me to my Excel folder, as you can see right here. So I've got it, and then the save as type is set to what? Portable document format .pdf. All right, now it says, hey, open file after publishing. I'm going to disable that for now, for a reason being that I want to open it myself. Okay, now after that I have to click on publish. Then let me actually close this guy for now. Then look at something here. I've got basic functions.pdf, and notice, which means when you have a PDF file, you need a PDF reader to be able to open it. If you happen to have Windows 10 installed, then you can actually open it using Microsoft Edge browser. Edge has that functionality and even more, which allows you to turn on the screen reader and other things like that. I want to right click on it, and then I want to open with. Now I know I have Adobe Acrobat DC, that is Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader, then download it from their website. Right, I've got a lot of applications here that can open this file for me, but I want to establish Adobe Acrobat DC as my default PDF opening apps, because if you look closely at this, you notice that, hey, it says that it's going to open it with Microsoft Edge, that is Edge browser for me, but I don't want that. Instead, I want to right click and then go to open with, then choose another app. Then this time I'm going to click on Adobe Acrobat. Now you might be like, hey Win, but we saw Adobe Acrobat in the list previously. Then why didn't you click on it, and rather you decided to actually come all the way down here? Well, this is because I want to have access to this thing. Always use this app to open .pdf files. This is the reason why I'm here. So I'm going to check it, which means when I click on O, notice it's going to establish this PDF. Can you see the icon changes? It's going to establish Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default app for opening this particular file extensions or file types. All right, so here I am presented with this nice, crisp and sharp document right here in front of me, and I'm going to close it. And that is how, friends, you actually export your work to a PDF in one basic way. I'm going to share another one with you right now. This one is another trick. Now I'm going to double click on basic functions and then go to the file button, then click on this guy, save as, then click on browse. And at this time, let's change the file type right here, save as type. Click on this and then choose PDF right here. So click on PDF, and then this time I'm just going to name it basic. I'm going to click on save. Now let me close this guy. Now you notice that I've got two different versions of the PDF right here. One is basic, and then the other one is what? Basic functions. Now basic.pdf, I'm going to double click on it, and notice it's going to open me right inside and taking me to the same place that I've been before, which means when I double click, because of the settings I did, that is right click, go to open with, and then choose another app, then I turn on this guy by selecting the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whenever I double click on any file that has .pdf extension, will open inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. And that is how, friends, you export your work to a different file format, precisely PDF, right here inside Excel.